Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm showing my face. Nah, I'm playing, but people has been asking me to show my face and stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, but a couple months ago, I got this package, and it looked like a Coke package. If you know, you know. I got this package. I thought it was something I ordered from Yeezy like a couple months ago. You know, they always ship like 6 to 12 months to get slides or the slippers or the whatever shoes that they're selling. I thought that was from Yeezy. It looks exactly like the same package, like some drugs or something. But when I opened it, it came in the same black bag, just like Yeezy sell their stuff. But yeah, they always come in like this type of bag. You know what I'm saying? So when I first saw it, I opened it, I was like, they're probably gonna be the slides that I ordered. I was gonna do a video on them, but I'm just gonna say that I was gonna be the first, probably the only YouTuber to have all the stuff first. I ordered the ESO, I think the slides, the slippers, and the other black shoe. I was the first one that got it, but they didn't fit me, so I didn't do a video on it, which sucks, because I could have been the first ones to have the shoe, but too bad they didn't fit. And then the slide came, and I was like, they're not gonna fit me. This is before anyone knew the size of any of the shoes. So I opened it, and when I opened it inside, I saw these shoes, which I'm gonna show you right now. And I'm like, this is not from Yeezy. And then I remember in my head, like, oh yeah, I ordered the 1090 or something, 1050. I ordered those boots like a long time ago, and they finally came. But they wrapped the same way as Yeezys are selling them right now. I thought that they were the same company. But anyways, I opened them up, and it's the boots. But yeah, this shoe came like a couple months ago. I haven't done it. I didn't even wear it yet because in Chicago it's been like raining, then snowing, then it drops to like 12, then it's like 60. I didn't have time to do it, so today is nice. It's spring, or it's starting to be spring supposedly. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Alright guys, these are the Yeezy 1050. These are not officially made by Adidas or Ye. These are made by an independent creator. This is his IG, that's why I love you so much. He also goes by the name of Cu1ts too on his website. He did this on his own, which is pretty cool. You can see on his IG the journey of making these boots. There are 4 colorways. There's a black one, white, gray, and camo. To be honest, the white and black looks amazing. If he ever makes them again, I'm definitely getting the black colorway and another white one just for beaters. The boot looks amazing in person. It has this cool shape, and I just love the 1050 design in general. I can't believe I finally got it, but the boot is waterproof. It even says it on the tag here. But I love the material he uses on the boot. It feels nice, and it's really like sturdy. Yeah, it feels like, I don't know, to me it just feels like an official shoe made by a bigger company. Like, I'm really impressed by the design and the way this dude made it, because he's just one person. It's not made by like a bunch of people or like a big company, you know. It's just one guy making this, and it's really cool, and I respect that a lot. I like the lace part. It's suede, it's soft, and it's nice. I like how the midsole looks. It has this nice flow to it. The back of the boot has a strap so you can loop your laces around it, make it tight, and have them hanging if you want. But at the front, it has the 3 stripes, and I love how the outsole pops out. I have no clue what material he used on the inner neck part, but it feels like, I don't know, like it's really soft and it's smooth. I don't know what material that is, but I'm just saying, it feels like nice. The insole of the shoe feels nice. It doesn't feel soft as the 950 boots, but these feel comfortable. They're not hard or uncomfortable. These are really good. I can't believe it's made by one person. That's really cool. And like I said, I respect that a lot. If I had to rate these shoes right now, I'll rate it a 9 out of 10. It's really nice. But other than that, let's go ahead and put them on. Alright y'all, so this is the bag. And I can't wait to wear these. I also want to find a box for them because I kind of do not like the bag thing. I think it's kind of annoying. It's kind of hard, and I don't want to yank it out. But we'll find out. And I think I ripped the bag. Alright, so we got one. Let's take out the. I need to get another pair, and I think it's really cool. Like, I really need the black pair. There's also a gray one and a camo one, but I think this one looks really cool. I need to buy another one, of the white ones so I could wear them as beaters and have one that's not to beat them. You know what I mean? I've been waiting so long for this one. So let's go ahead and put them on and see how they feel. Alright y'all, so this is how the boot looks. And damn, it looks so sexy in the camera. Like, these look crazy. I'm not gonna lie, but in person looks way better. But these feel really nice. Like, I'm really surprised it's made by one guy. This feels like an actual official boot that Adidas made. Like, these feel so good. So the size I got on these were a size 8. I went true to size because when he was making them, he said go a size up. But when I was doing my research, he looked like he didn't know the size either. By the time it was the end, he posted again. It was like, never mind, go a size down. So I was like, I don't know if I should go size 9 or like 7. So I went true to size to see if it is gonna work like that. And I'm so happy it did. So if you ever get these, or if you ever make these again, make sure to go true to size, because you don't want to go oversized or undersized. Like, these feels really nice. Like, if you're a size 8, you will have a lot of room in it. Like I said, it's not tight, it doesn't feel small. They fit kind of like an 8.5, kind of. Not fully like a half size, but there is a lot of room in there. From the side, it looks really cool. Like, I really like how the side profile of the shoe looks. Even the front looks dope. And doing this type of video is kind of weird because there's a lot of people around, and they're just like looking while I'm talking, like who I'm talking to and what I'm looking at. You know what I mean? But I recommend going true to size if you're trying to get these. But overall, like, these feel like really good. I like how it feels. I like the design on it, or like the way it like looks. It looks pretty dope. This is why I need the black one, because I think the black one will look really cool, especially if you're going like to work or like, I don't know, going out at night. Like, I think the all black outfit with these boots will look really cool. But you guys let me know what your thoughts are on these, and let me know if you will get them. The Yeezy 1050 boot is really cool. I love it a lot, and I will give it a 10 out of 10. It's comfortable, it's breathable, it doesn't feel tight or hard, and I'll also rate it high for knowing that one person made this. So I really respect that a lot, like I said, and I really like the dedication. It came out really nice. The shoe cost $170 plus shipping, so it came out to like $194, I think. Yeah, it came out to $194. Not gonna lie, that's not bad at all for these boots. If I'm being honest, if this was made by Adidas, they would probably make this like $300 or $400. When Adidas were selling the last pairs, the knit runner was like $300, the desert boot was like $200, and the 950 was like $600, I think. So I'm pretty sure if these ever came out, they will probably be a lot. So I love that these are not super expensive. In his IG, he has showed other boots like this black one, which I've seen before, and of course the iconic red boot from the Donda era. If he ever drops the red one, oh my god, bro, I'm definitely getting it. Like, those just look, I don't know, amazing. Like, I really need those. But the other one looks cool, but I'd rather have the red boot. Like, that boot just looks so iconic and looks so dope. If they do other colorways, that would be perfect, and that would be amazing. I also kind of want to get the boot from the Yeezy store. I think it looks kind of cool. I really like the OG version, like the picture that they showed last year, and I think everyone wanted it, but ever since they came out, it looks nothing like the picture. But I kind of still want to get it. I think it looks decent, and of course the other shoe that came out, I really hope Ye makes more shoes, like real shoes, and not just like house shoes, like the slippers, because I really need new boots or like shoes to wear. No, I'm playing. I hope he gets the rights back so he can make more Yeezys and maybe make other colorways or maybe new designs. I don't know, but too bad they take a very long time to ship, but I still want to get them. They're still cool, and hopefully the creator makes other types of boots too. It would be cool for everyone that likes Yeezy or Ye's, you know, shoe ideas. But overall, these boots are amazing. I suggest getting them if you're a fan or like sneakers or like fashion or whatever. I think these boots look really cool. But hopefully he makes other ones like the red boot that we saw in the Donda 2021 era. If he does, I'm gonna get like 2 of those, man. Hopefully he does like an all black pair, because that'd be sexy. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace.